Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing, guys. Anyway, I have some very special recipe for the fans them. Anyway, this one is gonna be ripe banana and avocado smoothie with some spinach in it, ice, lemon, honey, and just blend it and get a lovely drink. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the show. Subscribe, leave your comments, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Google plus me, and also Twitter, and get a lot more recipes. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and watch this video. See you next time. Nice and lovely. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. I'm going to make you a nice, lovely, simple avocado and ripe banana smoothie. Very healthy one. All right, first thing I must say, I got some ice inside of my smoothie ninja blender. 1 finger of ripe banana, and I'm gonna break it up, put it inside of it just like this. Now what you're going to do, two things. You can either use a small knife or a large knife. I just cut my avocado into half, and I'm gonna simple mark it down like this. Alright, scrape it out. I'm gonna put a few of mint inside of it just to bring in a lovely flavor to it. And then 1 handful of spinach. Alright, that's going to be really nice. Then 1 tablespoon of honey, pure honey, and we're gonna put some water. I'm using my bottled water, natural pure water from the spring. All right, then cover. And blend this about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice. I don't even need to talk or say anything, but this one gonna be a fantastic one, honestly, with the natural ripe banana and also the avocado with the spinach. That's the banana and that's the avocado. And I have a little bit of spinach left back. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can see that one. It's the first thing. Healthy recipe, healthy lifestyle, and this is how it goes. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into that show and watch my cooking show. Got amazing recipe, as you can see right here, lovely and nice. We have a few more recipes will be coming very soon, but this one, as you can see, ripe banana and avocado with spinach smoothie. Tell me what you think about it, guys. It is an amazing recipe, and hopefully we can come with the best, better in the future. Thank you so much for tuning into Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and also subscribe, leave your comments below, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, Google plus, and get a lot more recipe. All right, and see you next time. Bye bye.